Welcome to Osaka. Come with us to explore the city between tradition and chaos. Street walks, hidden shops, food, and lots of drinks and snacks. Good morning, everyone. Today we are leaving Disneyland Hotel. We're leaving Tokyo to go to Osaka. The journey to Tokyo Station was so fast. We had plenty of time to buy some Ekiben and snacks, and we are ready to board our Shinkansen, which is the bullet train. This travel from Tokyo to Osaka will only take 2 hours.
It was.
We see. Oh, it's hot.
I've got it like a baby on fire.
Oh my god. Oh.
続いて車内のご案内をいたします。この電車は全車禁煙となっております。車内でおタバコはお吸いよう。最長部の国内荷物スペースと洗面台横の
Beef? What is this here? Did you try?
The happiness.
Oh, that's a spicy dish. I might just I'll try this first.
Yeah, try it. Yeah.
First, nice. That
The cream is great,
it has to be
right?
delicious, yeah. This is the same right there. Hello! I like this room a lot. It's tiny, but it's cozy. So it gives us the best view. Wow!
It's crazy.
Look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo. Try to push me. I really like it, you know.
Yeah. I can't even know how high up we are.
Yeah.
How many floors is this?
I don't know. Wow, this is so cool. This is a little bit fancy here as well. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's very nice. Do we have nice coffee or it's coffee bags? Don't know why they do that. It's not good. A little fridge. Take the water to the fridge. Always. Very nice. What is this? Nothing. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to visit the Sky Spa. The toilet. Hello. We have slippers. How do I look? And pajamas, obviously. Great addition. Enough of the room tour. We found the best bar 2 minutes away from the hotel.
That's so cool. Yeah, I have one more, please. Thank you.
Good morning from Holly's Cafe. Today is our first full day in Osaka. So let's have breakfast, then we will be ready to explore. Come on. Wow. Guitar shops, vintage stores, so many cool finds around every corner. After a few hours, we are slowing down. Coffee break at Kopimal Coffee. A lemon coffee. And a cheesecake.
Oh,
Is it weird?
it's interesting, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It almost tastes like chocolate.
Tiny straw. Oh. Wow.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
At the end, it's like chocolate.
Yeah.
That's bizarre.
I've never tried something like that. I like it, I think. Oh my god.
That's crazy.
That's cheese. It's just... Wow.
Perfect.
Yeah. We needed to try, right? Coffee, done. Snack, done. It's time to visit some bars.
I can't wait to get to the food fighters bar.
So happy.
Back to the food bar. I love this place.
Yeah.
I love it so much. This guy's the best.
I like music.
Okay, what would you like?
And I like singing Japanese.
Ah.
I can't sing English songs. It's really difficult.
Do you know English songs?
If I listen,
Yeah, okay.
I
Okay.
feel like no words.
Yeah.
This is very cool.
Music or guitar?
Both. Yeah, both. Yeah.
Oh,
Is this is a real thing?
yes, it is.
That is crazy. Yeah, I see the head here.
Oh gosh.
It's called Habu.
Okay.
She's from Okinawa Island, the southern island in Japan.
Oh.
Like tropical, very nice place.
Okay.
And then this shochu, it's like a Japanese vodka.
Yeah.
And then habu, snakes, like dunmas.
Oh.
Yeah, so they put all together.
Crazy.
And then cinnamon, wallow herbs, and spice in there.
Wow.
And it's good for your health.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Catfish and chips man. And to end this day, ice cold water and a bowl of ramen. See you tomorrow. Good morning from Holly's Cafe again. We love this place. Anyway, today we are going to Kyoto just for a day. But if you want to see history, traditions, temples and all the street food, you will have to watch our next vlog. Now let's fast forward to another day in Osaka. Hello from the gym. This is actually the best view ever. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's skip the boring part. Here's some pull-ups. Whatever. Let's head to the Sky Spa. Today we are on a mission. We are looking for that famous cheesecake from Rikuro. Then we would like to see the Osaka castle. And that's it. No other big plan. Just walking, getting lost and seeing where the streets take us. So apparently the closest cheesecake from us is inside the Osaka station. Let's go. So good jiggling. The cheesecake is secured! Did we come back straight to the hotel to try it? Yes. Did I put pajamas on? Yes. Was it good? Yeah. Was it overrated? Yeah, definitely overrated. Absolutely not as good as a New York cheesecake or a Basque cheesecake. And welcome to Osaka Castle. It looks very small. Alright, that was a joke. It's not funny. Here is the castle. Okay, no more landmarks. Now it's Izakaya time. Guess what? Morning from Holly's Cafe again. Today is our last day in Osaka and it's also our last day in Japan. And we didn't try yet the Ichiran ramen. So let's go.
Good.
What is it? What did you do? Medium, garlicky.
Delicious. Very garlicky.
Very,
onion.
yeah.
With pork. Spicy.
Oh, and medium noodle. That's way more nicer down here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at all those little places. This is my last good morning, and unfortunately we are not at Holly's Cafe. I am trying one last Japanese snack and it's time to go back home. We are now heading to Osaka airport to catch our flight to Shanghai. We will spend the night at the airport and then fly back home. Bye bye Japan, and see you in the next vlog.